In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with WooCommerce. If you've ever thought about sharing your digital creations with the world, whether it's ebooks, music, software, or any other downloadable content, WooCommerce makes it incredibly easy to set up, manage, and sell your digital products right from your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear and simple process to follow so you can start selling your digital goods with confidence. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll want to confirm that the WooCommerce plugin is installed and active. You can do this by checking the left-hand menu. Look for the WooCommerce tab and the Products tab. If you see both of these, you're good to go. If not, you may need to install and activate WooCommerce first before proceeding. Now click on Products in the left-hand menu and then select Add New. This will open up the product editor, where you'll input all the details about your digital product. At the very top of the editor, enter a clear and specific product name. Make it descriptive so your customers know exactly what they're purchasing at a glance. Next, write a concise yet informative product description in the main description field. This is your opportunity to convey the value of your product. Be sure to include key details like what the product contains, the file format, any software requirements, and how your customers will benefit from it. The goal here is to give your potential buyers all the information they need to make a confident purchase. Once your description is complete, scroll down to the product data section. Here you'll set the product type to simple product. Then check the boxes for both virtual and downloadable. This tells WooCommerce that your product doesn't require shipping and that your customers will receive it as a download. In the pricing fields, enter your regular price. If you're running a promotion, you can also set a sale price, which will display as a discounted offer on your product page. Now let's move to the downloadable files section. Click on Add File. In the pop-up, enter a descriptive file name in the Name field. This is what your customers will see when they download the file, so make it clear and professional. Next, you'll need to add the file URL, if it's hosted online, or you can upload the file directly from your computer. To do this, click Choose File, then either select the file from your media library or upload a new file. If you're uploading, click Upload Files, then select Files, locate the file on your computer, and press Enter. Once your file is selected, click Insert File URL to attach it to the product. If your product consists of multiple files, it's often a good idea to compress them into a single zip file. This simplifies the download process for your customers and keeps everything organized. For added control, you can set a download limit and an expiry date in the product data section. This is optional, but can be useful depending on your business model. Additionally, adjust the tax status and tax class based on your local regulations for digital goods. Don't forget the visuals. In the right-hand sidebar, add a product image that clearly represents your digital item. You can also include additional visuals in the product gallery if they help showcase your product in more detail. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner of the screen to make your product live on your site. Congratulations! Your digital product is now ready for customers to purchase and download. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.